Menteri Berikmi Yakatanat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela Urakam Sangma, ulah pentip baka Administrative and Academic Block jonga Captain Williamson Sangma State University Tura, lalak ban pendap yaka ringkat ke jingpen kre agi jing tungkam kumbasan popratali ha ketega University. Haba jubab haka kenta kali jingkeli haka segi besau jonga dorbar Mang Tyngka yang dorbar tauan ke Jela, kepala bu jingkeli dau nong tauan ke Voice of the People's Party na maulai haka arpoi terik urempang arja arpusau urakam ulaong. Bala Mang khan riu poin khandai riu Klur Tyngka bantai ya ketega University na lor ki weipat ki jinglut.
So the status of Captain Williamson Sangma State University is number 1. Construction of administrative block and academic block is completed. So number 2, construction of boys and girls hostel completed. Number 3, so 58 poles has been sanctioned, including by Chancellor and Registrar. Number 4, sir, internal road has been sanctioned. Number 5, water supply has been sanctioned. Number 6, sir, the board of governors has been constituted. The first board of governors meeting was held on 14/01/2022, chaired by the Honorable Education Minister, Government of Meghalaya. Number 7, sir, the board of management has been constituted. Number 8, sir, the state government has started preparatory activity to make the university functional.
Register Williamson, please.
I would like to thank the Education Minister for the reply to the question. But then I have some supplementary question to ask from the Honorable Education Minister. I would like to ask what is the total amount that have been spent on infrastructure, and what is the total area of the State University campus?
Speaker, sir. So the total amount spent on construction of the infrastructure is 16.96 crores. And another additional amount of 5.77 crore has been sanctioned for approach road and other necessary, like internal road and the external water supply. So the campus bigger is about 100. The campus area of Captain Williamson State University is 100 biggest of land.
So, may I know from the Education Minister here had mentioned that there are 58 posts that have been sanctioned, including Vice Chancellor and the Registrar. May I know from him how many departments will be there in this state university?
Speaker, sir. So initially, sir, the proposal is to make the engineering, physical science, life science, technology, humanities, commerce, these other courses. And so to start off with the academic, initially the Department of English, Khasi, the Garo, philosophy, political science, education, economic and history on humanities and social science. And so on the life science, physical and life science, we'll be having for postgraduate and PhD. It's a Department of Physics, Department of Mathematics, Department of Chemistry, Department of Geology and Department of Botany. So in Commerce and Management, both postgraduate and the PhD, we'll be having commerce in specialized in accounting and finance, and number 2 in commerce in management and marketing. And in terms of urban planning, also, Department of Urban Planning will be there. And these are the department initially will be having the campus.
From what the Education Minister has just informed the House, we can understand that there are many departments that are going to be set up within this state university. But then looking at the number of posts that have been sanctioned, I feel that it is very less, considering that there are many departments as you have just mentioned. As I'm aware that even to run a college per department, the necessary posts required is a minimum of 5 teachers. But looking at the numbers, 58 posts, I feel that it is too less, the number. So, is there any possibility that the government will increase? Otherwise, it's not possible to run the university with just 58 posts, considering that there are many departments.
Speaker, sir, this 58 posts, which was already sanctioned for earlier Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University. When it's renamed as a state university, the government has proposed 100 posts for the faculty members, and this is under the process of sanctions.
Another question, supplementary question. What is the financial implication as far as the human resource is concerned, apart from the 58 post sanction for teachers, including the Vice Chancellor and Registrar?
Speaker, with 100 additional posts in proposal and 6 for Shillong campus, will be annually 45 crore 7,34,292, and the details of already sanctioned 58 sanctioned post is not with me, sir. I recommend at this point.
So when do we expect that this Captain Williamson Sangma State University will start its academic session?
Speaker, sir. The process is very at an advanced stage, and the recruitment for the post of Vice Chancellor is almost at the final stage, and on the 15th of this month, the date for the application to be received has just over, and we have received certain number of candidates, and at any point of time we will appoint the Vice Chancellor and the process will start. But sir, with respect to the academic session, it was earlier planned that 2024 academic session was supposed to be started, but in view of the upcoming model code of conduct, in view of the general election, if not able to recruit all the faculty members, so there is little chances to be delayed. But we'll make sure that 2025 and 26 academic session will be functioning, sir.
Thank you.
So, may I know from the Honourable Minister, whether these 58 posts which have been sanctioned have been the process of recruitment has started or not?
Speaker, sir? No, sir.